Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. They're going to show you how to completely clean and check the dust on your dryer. Let's use Siemens, in my case in IQ 700, but the Bosch will be looking the same. So this is the first filter which you have to clean it. That's it. This is the second filter you should clean it, and then inside of it there is some dust, so you can clean by the brush or something like that. And on the end, as you see, this is some different plastic, some strange plastic or something like that. I tried to open it, but there is nothing there, so you shouldn't open it. As you see, I just tried to open it, and there is a fan. So see, you see the fan, and there is nothing up there. There is only plastic. So that was a strange thing for me. Was what is this? But it's nothing. You shouldn't clean this. There is only fan here, and so you can clean this. And with the brush or something like that, you can clean out there. Yep. Sorry for the light, but it's dark. So that's it all about the cleaning the Siemens dryer on the Bosch dryer. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.